Hey guys, all right, welcome to my show. You are very welcome, and thank you very much for watching my show. All right guys, today I'm gonna make delicious but delicious recipe. All right guys, today I'm gonna make pork cutlets Milanese. All right guys, it's going to bring the flavor together. All right guys, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I have here. Look my table, how colorful and busy, exactly the way I like. All right guys, you want to cook with me? All right guys, let's go. Very good. All right guys, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I have here to make this delicious recipe. Very good. I have 1 teaspoon of salt. I have 1 teaspoon of Italian season. I have 2 lemons just for decoration. Also, I have 1 cup of flour. I have 4 eggs. I have 1 cup of plain breadcrumbs to bring the flavor together. All right, very good. Also, I have 1 cup of olive oil. If you guys need more, just add it. All right. Also, I have 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Also, I have 9 pork cutlets. All right. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, don't use. Very good. Let's go. All right. Also, I have ½ cup of Parmesan cheese, and also I have ½ cup of fresh parsley. All right. You want to cook with me? All right, guys. Let's go. Very good. I see you very shortly. All right. Welcome back. All right, guys. Would you like to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, very good. All right, guys, now let's start this preparation. All right, I'm gonna start with my breadcrumbs. Right? Very good. After that, my flour. Bingo! All right, guys, very good. All right, next step. My porcelain, very good. All right, that's when the colors and the flavor comes together. All right, please bring the camera. Thank you. All right, now my salt. I have here my Parmesan cheese, very good. I have here my garlic powder, very good. Also, I have my black pepper. All right, very good. All right guys, what you're gonna do is you have to mix it up, and also I have here my Italian seasoning. Very good. Let's mix it up this very well. All right, looking good. All right, very good. See how you cannot miss one ingredient. All right, make sure if it's 100% mixed. All right, very good. All right, after that, I'm gonna need my eggs. All right, put my garbage ready here. All right, very good. All right, very good. This is the second. All right, this recipe, it's very easy to do it. Anybody can do it. All right, very good. All right, after that, I'm gonna put my my chicken cutlets in this plate. All right, very good. Looking good. All right, very good. I want everything close to each other. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. All right, very good. All right, very good. So now what you're gonna need to do is you have to do that. All right, make sure if you mix very well. All right, very good. Getting there. All right, hey guys. If you want a good food, you're gonna need a very good recipe. right? Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, all right? But don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. All right, this is ready, all right? All right, it's looking good. All right, I'm gonna get my oil, right? And I'm gonna preheat. Very good. If you need more oil, just add it, right? Very good. Right, let's start this preparation. Ready? Get the chicken cutlets, all right? You don't have to cut too thick, not too thin, all right? So let's dump there. Very good. Now you, very good. How easy it is. Very easy, all right? Looking good. All right. Do it again. And keep doing. All right, very good. Very good. It's looking good. This is gonna taste delicious. Delicious. And I'll be right back. Welcome back. All right, guys. Very good. It's looking very good. All right. All right. Very good. Sheesh! All right, guys. Let's go. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. Very good. It's looking good. All right. Very good. Right, it's almost finished here. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm ready for my next step. All right. Would you like to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, very good. I'm gonna put these babies here. All right. My fried pan, it's preheat. Very good. So let's take these babies, all right? A little mess, you have to be careful not to make a lot of mess. Medium high, right? Very good. All right, it's looking good. Looking good, guys. Very good. All right. I'm gonna put one more here, all right? Very good. All right, guys, let's cook these babies, all right? And I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. Very good. My babies is cooking, all right? It's getting there. It's getting crispy. Very good. All right, looking very good. All right, very good. All right. So I'm gonna put my medium high, right? I'm gonna need some paper towel, all right, to absorb the oil, all right? So, one more. Very good. It's looking good. All right? Very good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna taste good. All right, guys, let's go. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. See you very shortly. Oh, guys, I almost forgot. Time to check. Very good. All right, looks good. Looks very, very good. All right, you guys can read the camera here. All right, looking very, very good. And I'm sure it's gonna taste unbelievable. All right, very good. All right, looking good. Okay, now it's time for the other ones. All right, very good. All right, last one. Very good. I see you very shortly. All right, guys, welcome back. Time to check. All right. Sheesh! It's already cooked. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. Let's go. All right, guys. Now, I'm going to already put my paper here. Right now, I'm going to take it out from the pan. All right. Very good. All right. Very good. All right, guys. It's going to take me 1 minute to do this. All right. And I'll be right back. Hey, guys. All right. Very good. I'm going to show you the final product. All right. Here you go. Very good. Anybody can do it. Please bring the camera together. All right, very good. Take your time. It's very easy to do it. All right, anybody can do it. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys, you have to try this recipe. All right, I'm sure you gonna be happy today and forever. All right, guys, very good. Cheers.